Hello everyone, Hatem from Objection, back again with the news as we always never promised. I know guys that I've been late so much to make videos because actually I was in Ukraine and you know the war started. I just escaped from there. I went to Egypt at the moment and you know I left almost everything there. I couldn't take anything with me except this streaming stuff. Anyways, long story, we're gonna talk about it later. Now I brought for you guys this egg spoiler. It really looks like egg, you know. I don't know, they said this machine, it's cost me like $25. They said this machine, you can put just the water and open the electric, it's gonna boil egg in so short time, which is mean faster than the normal time. I don't know if it's really true working or no, just let's try it together and see if it's gonna work or not. But guys, before we go no further, what are you waiting for? Press and destroy now the subscribe button and put thumbs up if you like my video. Please. Okay guys, as you see, the name is IBAN. They said that this is German company, you know. I don't know if it's really German or no. Druzhby Narodiv. Anyway, it's German writing. For example, this is the cover. Here's the metal. Okay, we brought the egg here. Damn guys, I'm psychic, you know. 6 o'clock in the morning and then trying to do boil egg. Okay, how much should I put water, guys? Here, like this? I mean, that's all? That's all water that I'm gonna put? Okay, I hope no electric will happen. Should I add more? Okay, should I add more water or that's it? Oh, start to drop from down. No. Hey, what is the point from water if the egg is not touching the water? So, how is it gonna work? I can't understand. Okay, I turn it on. See guys, it's really start to boil the water, you know. I start to have evaporation here. And now it's just 3 minutes past, you know. I don't know it's really gonna cook it or no. Just give it more time and then we will try. And the cool thing, this can take 6 eggs in the same time. This is really cool. Okay guys, my final conclusion about this machine, it's not really bad, okay? I feel that she really boiled the egg and the egg is ready. Maybe, let's try, I don't know. But it's throwing water a lot on the table, okay? And the cable for electric, it's too short. It's almost 90 centimeter or 80 centimeter. This is bullshit, you know? And the time that's take to cook the egg, ouch, it's almost 5 minutes or 6 minutes. I don't think so. If you put it in oven, it's gonna be also more than 6 minutes. You understand me? Especially these new ovens, you know, that just look flat on surface, you know. I cannot open it actually, guys. It's too hot, you know. I guess it's ready. I mean, 100% is ready. You know how she cooked the egg? Not only through the water down, that water touching the egg, it's through the evaporation and condensation, you know, the hot evaporation and having it both, it's the cover do extra heat, you know, so that's how it spoiled the egg. Actually, it's not bad idea, you know. I don't know what to tell you. You can buy it and try it. It's saving time if you have a lot of eggs. For example, as you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can put 7 eggs in this machine, you know. And with the same water, little water, you know, it's not taking a lot of water. You can boil 7 eggs and they're gonna be ready together. It's not bad, to be honest. You can try it. Even the shape at home, it's kind of cool. If you have kitchen and you have everything is modern in your kitchen, which is blender, multi-cooker, air fryer, oven, electric oven. Don't you ever put microwave in your kitchen, ever. Microwave, it's so unhealthy. It's radiation. Stay away. my advice to you. So if you have these devices, what I mentioned now, except microwave, and you can keep this modern between them, it's gonna be cool, you know. So you get rid of dishes and stuff like that. You just keep tefal bin, tefal dish, and the rest of them you don't need it. The point, guys, that I want to tell you, actually I was escaping from Ukraine, so I came to Egypt now because it was the fastest way to escape. I left my refrigerator oven, my multi-cooker, my air fryer oven. I left washer machine, I mean new stuff in the flat. I left my electric bike, my mono wheel. I couldn't get anything. Sure, this thing is gonna be stolen. This thing is gonna be stolen. I don't care about this, but this is what all I have, to be honest with you guys. Anyway, guys, I'm sorry. I was trying. I wish that I tried the egg for you, but I'm fasting, you know, because of Ramadan. I'm a Muslim, as you know. Anyway, if you would tell me my conclusion about this machine, should you buy it or no? I guess you should give it a try, but don't try any Chinese brand. This one's German. Actually, my brother sent it to me from Germany. So it looks solidary, it looks nice quality. So if you want to buy something like this, maybe you should buy it as brand, because it's dangerous stuff. Philips, Brown, Bush, Milnix, etc. You know, guys, anything that working with water, like this thing, electric and water together, which is the most two enemies for each other, you should buy it quality. Also the iron for clothes that's work with water. Do not buy it cheap Chinese quality. Buy it brand, trust me. Kosher, Brown, stuff like that, etc. Anyway, guys, I'm sorry to disturb you about the stories. By the way, guys, I kept for you in the description down below the bank account. If you really want to donate for Ukrainian people, some families that I know and my friends know, they really need help. They are indeed, they are passing hard time, no food, stuff like that. Some of them even had to steal. This is really bad. If you would like to send them any Swift or any with the name of the account there, it's gonna be great from you. It's gonna help these people really, because some of them even is my friends. Anyway, guys, we'll see another video. Hatem for Objection. Peace and love for all of you.